Alright, so just came out here to Gary's Ranchero. And the radiator's nice and full. I'll let her cool down, obviously, a couple hours after they overheat. Of course, it's sucked in all of our expansion tank. Other than, of course, what it vomited everywhere. Which you can see. Fun. So I'm going to top this back off. We do have replacement shocks on the way for these new ones that leak. So that's coming. I'm going to get a thermostat here because who knows what's in here at this point. Because I talked to Alan, they did not replace it at Mustang Country. So, that being said, we're very concerned about the water pump, and we're also curious to see if it's 60 over or not. That would also make it not happy, which is a known fact on these. Obviously, there's no room to really do anything with a fan any more than what we already have, unless you take and maybe put a fan a little bit closer, push it out just a little bit, use a factory style Mustang fan, and then trim the shroud down a little, just meet it halfway so it's halfway in, halfway out. There's no room for an electric fan that'll be of any efficiency or use. So that being said, we're gonna move forward. I'm gonna try to get him to get a new water pump though. So I'm gonna talk to him and I'll have a follow-up here shortly.